Hey you guys, it's Taquisha from Our Freedom Song, and it is the perfect day to go out into the garden. Y'all see this garlic? Despite my best effort to plant this whenever it was even past the recommended date, it still has sprouted so much because this weather, like today, has been in the 70s. And so what can you do? What can you do? These Brussels sprouts are looking so beautiful, and I see little Brussels sprout nubs right there. Oh my goodness, look at those. That is so exciting. Oh my goodness, it's actually growing. You ever feel like that? Like, wow, it's actually growing. Yeah, this whole little Brussels sprout area is so beautiful, and it's teeming with growth, and I'm so happy about it. I would really love to harvest enough salad for tonight's dinner. This will be the first time that we've ever grown our own salad. And so I'm really excited to see what's in the garden that I can use. We have so many different varieties of lettuces growing, and so it's going to be a mixed salad. I have my eye on this Napa cabbage. It is so beautiful. So my kids really love crunchy salads. They like salads that are made with either iceberg or romaine lettuce. I prefer the romaine lettuce because I know that it's more nutrient. But this is so beautiful, and it has such, I can hear the crunch, and so I'm thinking that I could probably throw some of this in with some of the softer greens, and they would still love it. So I am planning to use some of the Napa cabbage to make some kimchi along with some of the radishes that we're growing. So like I mentioned before, these sugar snap peas did not disappoint. They very much so, look at that stink bug right there, have been so prolific. They're taller than me, so the tallest one is definitely 6 foot down there because I'm 5'8". Stink bug. Man, they got a good grip. Get off of there. I definitely want to pick some of these to put in our salad. I have been munching on these like daily. They have been just so good. So good. And the kids have been munching on these. It's been such a really great snack out here in the garden. Y'all know I appreciate garden snacks. Oh my goodness, yes. This is gonna make for such a delicious salad. Wow, these look absolutely beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. These are definitely ready to be harvested. So beautiful. And this right here is some kale we have over here. Look at these beauties right here. I love how they just start to develop such a flower shape. These are so pretty. The worms are definitely out over here. I just want to squish it with my hand, but I don't want to at the same time. Our first radish, so cute. That is so cute. I see some big ones developing in here. So I hope with all my heart that you had an absolutely amazing Thanksgiving and that you were able to find and dwell on so many incredible things in your life that you are thankful for and that you can be thankful for. What a blessing it is to be alive. Our family absolutely enjoyed ourselves. I'm so happy we got to get our kitchen done just enough. It was just such a blessing, and I was just so honored to do this for my family and so happy that we actually could. And so we did not have chairs to sit in on Thanksgiving, but that didn't matter because the whole table was filled with delicious food that we all got to enjoy and enjoy each other. It is finally time for us to put up our open shelving. We are both so excited about it. Okay, so I softened the edges a little bit, which was super easy to do with the sander, and just, yeah, gave it a good sand. If you're able to watch this to the end, please drop in the comments below one thing that you are truly grateful for. Thanks so much for joining me today, just harvesting some things in the garden and seeing how wonderful our Thanksgiving was. Thank you so much for being on this journey with us. We appreciate each and every one of you. We are truly thankful for each and every one of you. Thank you. We are going to enjoy this salad tonight. See you guys next time.
Come on, let me see some. When the